Welcome to our podcast. This is Unity Church of Chatsworth. Senior Minister, Reverend John Washington, and I am Michelle Washington, Pastoral Nurse.
There are 5 unity principles. Today's lesson, we focus on principle number 4, prayer, communion, connection to God as our source. Unity principle number 4. Through prayer and meditation, we aligned our heart-mind with God. Denials and affirmations are tools we use. Connie Fillmore Bazzy, great-granddaughter of Charles and Myrtle Fillmore, was the first to set down in writing the 5 unity principles. In the garden, is that correct?
Yes.
Jesus prayed in the garden. Jesus prayed wherever he went, but in particular, praying in the garden. So what is your favorite location or garden? We're asking everyone that question, not just you, Michelle.
Mine is an easy one. It is located in Lansing, Michigan.
Yes.
And it is called Hawk Island.
Hawk Island.
It is a place where we're talking about prayer now, but it also works for me for meditation. It's where I do walking meditation and where I engage with nature. That's I'm going to say my very first and foremost place that I enjoy my connection to spirit and prayer.
All right.
The second would probably be my own backyard, but
yes.
that's a conversation for another time.
All right. Well, however, I have it on my notes in front of me today to find a relaxing place.
Yes.
Place of calm,
Mm-hmm.
place of peace. Mm-hmm. And I have here inside or outside. Inside,
yes.
Or outside. Even inside the house. Now, I noticed you mentioned Hawk Island, which is a public park in Ingham County, isn't it?
Yes.
Ingham County, Michigan.
Yes, it is.
Located near the capital of Michigan.
In the capital of Michigan, in Lansing. But I just want to jump back to a point that you made, and that is wherever we pray is our prayer garden or our prayer room, whatever we choose to call it. And if we go with the idea of praying unceasingly,
yes,
without stopping, we're praying, always praying, all life is prayer, yes. Then anywhere we are is that garden.
Okay.
Our thoughts are